How to make Gamepass on Roblox.
The very first thing, you want to make sure that you are logged into your account Roblox. Once you are logged into your account, head over to Create option. Inside Creator Hub, head over to Creations. Scroll down and it will show you the Gamepass that you have already created before. All you want to do is click on it. Now at the left hand side of your screen, scroll all the way down until you see the option of monetization. Inside monetization, proceed to passes. Tap on Create a Pass. In here, you have to give it a name and a description. You can also skip this part. So once you have entered, click on Create Pass. The pass has been created successfully. Now head over to this pass and then click on Sales over here. Toggle on this option Item for Sale. Enter the price and then click on Save Changes. Once you do that, you will be good to go.
So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can make Gamepass on Roblox.
Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.